What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going for a joyride in the STI. We're going to take a little nice ride through the canyons, test it out, see how the STI does. But first we need to make sure to get some gas, make sure to let the car warm up. We are currently on the DSLR. Let's make sure to switch over to the phone to get a better viewpoint. We have switched over to the phone. We are in the car. We need to go get some gas, pick up a few things that we need for filming, make sure everything looks nice for you guys. Make sure you guys enjoy the content. If you guys do enjoy the content, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go pick a few things up and then we'll be running through the canyons. Also, it is December, what day is today? I think it's December 11th. We got the Christmas hat out, Christmas spirit. You know how it is. Let's go pick up a few things we need and let's get on the road. I may or may not have forgotten my wallet. Okay, let's get going. After a quick run, we're gonna mess with the DCCD system. Now, if you don't know what the DCCD system is, it is a central locking diff in the middle of the drivetrain. Now, what it is you can switch between where you want the power to go. So the highest setting it can go to is full lock, 100, 50, 50. That is meant for like snow applications and all that. You know, if you left that on the regular road, it would totally burn it out and it would not be good at all. The other system that you can do is you can throw it into 60-40. So 60% of the power is going to the rear and 40 is going to the front. It'll act a little bit more like a rear-wheel drive car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw it in the 60-40 split and see if that makes a difference and see if we can really feel the difference. After sending it with the 60-40 split instead of the 50-50 split, which is the auto default, I really didn't feel too much of a difference, but I do want to take a minute and just take in all of these views of the Colorado mountains. I'll show you guys what they're all about. I've hit a fully snowy road. We're gonna see where this takes us. There's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was fun to just take the STI out, take it for a drive. I've been at school for a while. It was nice to take it on a nice canyon run and see what it's capable of. The DCCD system is definitely a cool thing. I didn't notice too much of a difference, but it's still fun to play with either way. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.